Welcome back to Katrine's Kitchen. Today we will be doing coconut sweetbread. You will need 1 stick of butter, soft, approximately 8 tablespoons, 2 cups of flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, half cup of coconut milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1.5 cups of grated coconut, 1 cup of raisins, half cup of mixed peel, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. You will also need 1 9-inch greased loaf pan. You are going to now preheat your oven to 350 degrees and then we will begin. You're adding 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of sugar. You are now going to cream this until it's light and fluffy. Okay, now that our sugar and butter has been mixed, you are going to add the egg and the vanilla essence. You are now going to mix this again. We'll now add our nutmeg, our cinnamon, and we are now going to mix again. Now it's time for your coconut. Shake it in there, shaking every bit of it. And you're going to mix it in. Time now for the flour and the coconut milk. We are first going to add the coconut milk and you are going to mix until it's smooth. Now we are going to add all of the flour. Okay, so now we have added all of the flour. We are now going to add our baking powder. We are going to stir this until it is smooth. Let's check, and then we are just going to scrape down the sides. Knock all of this dried ingredients out. We are just going to scrape down the sides so we can get everything in. Okay, now that it has finished mixing, we are going to fold in the raisins and mixed peel. So now we are now going to fold in our raisins and our mixed peel. And we are now going to put this into our prepared greased 9-inch loaf pan. Put it into the oven at 350 degrees. You are going to bake this sweetbread for approximately 1 hour or until you insert a skewer into the middle of it and it comes out clean. When it is finished baking, it's nicely browned and the skewer inserted comes out clean. You are going to remove it from the oven and you are going to put it on a wire rack to completely cool before slicing and serving. So this is what our sweetbread looks like in the pan. So now into the oven it goes, 350 degrees for approximately 1 hour or until when you stick a skewer in the middle, the skewer comes out clean. Remember, it's nice and brown. You remove it from your oven and you put it on a wire rack to cool before slicing and serving.